Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a portfolio website on Wix. So here I have just logged into Wix and I'm going to create a new site, and we will be given an option to either do it with AI or without AI. So I'm going to do it without AI, so I will just click on this option here. So what type of website do you want to create? I am going to choose portfolio. And we can do developer portfolio, different types of portfolios here. So film student portfolio, performance art, photography. I'm going to do digital media. I'm going to do digital art portfolio. And we are going to click on continue here. So it will prepare our dashboard. And I'm going to show you how you can actually customize this. So whether using Wix's AI tool to create your website or directly typing out this, the category of your website, I think I would go for the latter, to be honest, because the website, the AI website builder that Wix has is good, but it takes a long time to actually set up. So here, what would you like to call your website? So I'm going to call it NetHelp Portfolio. And I'm going to click on continue here. So here's where you actually add your website name. So now choose the apps that you would like to add. I'm going to do portfolio. Actually, it is built in. We can also add an online store or bookings. I think bookings would be useful for our portfolio website. And we can also discover some more apps here, but we can add them at any point in the future to our portfolio website. So I'm just going to click on continue here. And choose how you want to continue set up your website, or we can use a template. So I am going to go to my dashboard here and see what we can work out. So I will show you how you can upload images to your portfolio, how you can add text to your portfolio and different pages as long as it works. So just give it some time to load up here. I'm going to come back in a second after it's loaded. Okay, so this popped up. We want to click on design site. And here we will either let Wix design a site for you or customize a design template. I'm going to pick a template here. So we can do marketing, search our templates. I'm going to search for portfolio here, just so it matches our theme. So portfolios, you will be able to see some different options here. So this person, illustrations and motions design, Samuel. So I like the look of this one, so I will use this one. We can click on edit, and now it's going to load up in the website builder itself, or the website editor itself. So I'm going to show you how you can add your own images, your own background, your own information, and your own pages. So I'm going to come back once this has loaded. Okay, so it has loaded, and again it asks us to let AI write for it. If you want to use this tool, you can, but I'm just going to skip over it. And here it will tell us the different apps that we can use. So add elements, add sections, pages, and I'm going to basically explain this, how you can do it. So first here, you will be able to see the option to delete. So we can just delete this section if we would like. So basically it will just delete the text itself. So Charlie Knox in this case, and it will just clear it so you can type out your own. So I've just pressed on it and pressed on the delete key. Now here, if we want to actually add a new background, I'm going to show you how you can do it. If we click on quick edit here, we can manage the menus, but that's going to be for later. So here, as you can see, I just clicked on the background and we can change this background. So we can do none, or we can do some other templates that Wix itself gives us. But I'm going to upload a random image that I have here on my PC as my background. So I just clicked on upload image, and here I'm going to click on upload media, upload from computer, and I'm going to choose this image as my background. So here you can actually notice the time it takes for it to load and to upload. So once this has been uploaded, you will get a green check mark here, and it's gonna show up in your board. So we are gonna wait for this. Okay, so it has been loaded. And now if we want to change this portfolio background to our background that we just uploaded, we click on this blue button, and as you can see, now the background itself is changed and it looks like this. So I will also add an image because this portfolio is for me. So I will add an image here. So from the side, I will go to media and I will click on this upload media button, and I'm going to upload from my computer, and I will just use this image that I have of myself. And again, same process. You can look at the uploading process here at the bottom, and once it's done, it's gonna be highlighted here, and we will choose add to page. So we have this image here, so we can add this to page, and it's gonna take a little bit of time. Okay, here I am, and now I'm just going to place myself somewhere at another corner. So I'm just going to drag this and drop it here. So this is me. And now if you want to add text to your portfolio, then what we have to do is, I'm just going to zoom out again. So I am going to add elements here from the side, and I'll click on text, and we can choose different types of headings and different types of text masks and paragraphs. So I will do first a heading. So just gonna drag and drop a generic heading, and here we can use different colors. So for color, I'm going to do red. You can customize it to your liking. You can also add colors here, but I'm going to do red. We can also edit the theme itself if we would like. And we type out, so we can choose templates here. And if we want to actually change the text itself, I'm just gonna triple click on it and highlight the text itself, and I'm going to type net help content, just as an example. So net help content, and you can add this as your heading or use this as your heading. Now here, what I'm gonna do next is actually make this a little bit smaller, and I will drop another text box here. So I will just do again, add elements from the side, and I'm going to do paragraphs, and I will do this first one. So first, we obviously need to change the color of the text. So I'm going to do red again. Now this is obviously not the best example as a background image that I've put here. It's just one that I had on my PC. You can use whichever one you would like, but again, like I just showed you, I changed the color. We can also attach hyperlinks here if we just use this button, and we can make this text bold, italics. So I'm going to type out this. So a little bit of more information about ourselves. So I'm going to do net help is a YouTuber. I've been in this industry since 2014. Something like that. And you can obviously also adjust the size of this, and you can like make it more centered, like so. I'm just going to zoom out. So basically, I've shown you how to upload an image on Wix, how to use it on your portfolio website, how to add text to it. And the last thing that I want to show you is how you can add pages. So here, if we click on this pages and menu button, then you will see all of your pages. So about, so if you click on this page, it will take us to the page, and you can edit the about information here. Or the last thing that I want to show you is how you can actually create a page. You click on add page, and here you can choose your story, about us, contact us, so on and so forth, if you want to add different pages to your Wix website. And if you want to delete a page from the Wix website, which you will not need, for example, albums, we just click on the three dots here, and we will click on delete, and it will remove the pages for us. If you want to remove the contact, then we will delete this as well. Now if I zoom out, you can see we no longer have those right here at the header and the footer, so we can also remove the footer and header images as well. But basically, that's how you do it. That's how you create a portfolio website on Wix. You will obviously use your own image, you will use your own text, and you will customize it to your liking. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.